my love, so welcome back to my channel. So this is the official tour of the hotel that I'm staying at in Finland. Kindly ignore the fact that my mouth is not moving with what I'm saying. It's because it's the same day I relocated, as you guys know, and then the same microphone, the battery died, and I had no idea that I wasn't recording. So I'm literally doing a voice over now, so please ignore it, okay? So I'm about to do the official tour of this beautiful hotel, but please be sure to subscribe, guys. It helps out a lot. Like this video if you do enjoy it, share as well. The hotel have two entrances. This is the main entrance and it is facing the main road, and then this is the second entrance and it's also facing a road, but it's not that major. If you've watched my previous video, you would have noticed this bit in it. So let's enter and see. So once you enter the hotel, this is what you see. There's a lot of space for socialization, and it's just beautiful, guys. You can literally sit down and do your work as well, either school work or just normal work, and there's a bar right above there. And look at the beautiful lights. It's so amazing. They claim it's a 4-star hotel, guys. So let's tour it together and then comment below if you think it is. So this is a place you can also sit and vibe. They do have ice cream. This is the entrance of the first video I showed into the reception area. So this is the huge reception area. Look at all the beautiful lights hanging up there. On my right, there's another entrance outside, and they have a rooftop terrace and a whole lot of amazing stuff, guys. So that's Nancy at the reception area. Opposite the reception area on your right hand side is this beautiful dining hall or restaurant. Very lovely. We are going to be doing most of our eating in this bit of the hotel, and they do have gym, guys. I was really impressed. There's a lot of equipment. Someone was even exercising. Of course, I'm coming to exercise here as well. And this is the rooftop, the most talk about rooftop. It's very beautiful. You can literally see the view, guys, from down, and just see everywhere around the hotel. That's Nancy. There's a lot of places that you can, chill, vibe, and they do have sauna right on my right hand side. Somebody was there, so that's why the hot tub people were actually enjoying themselves there. So enough of that, let's enter the room and see what we've got here, guys. So once you enter, this is what you see. Once you enter the room and close the door, there's this huge mirror right in front of you. Once you enter, I'm really loving it because I'm going to be using it a lot to do my videos, to take pictures and whatnot, just to admire myself. Very huge and beautiful. And then right behind the mirror, there's a space up there that you can literally place something there, kind of like a shelf or something. And they do have hangers there that you can hang your stuff on. And this huge ironing board that I don't think Nancy and myself will be using. We wouldn't iron anything actually, but I mean it's good. So if you have a meeting or something, you get something to iron. And they have this space here that you can hang your coat or whatever it is. So Nancy and myself hanged our coat and she hanged her nightie there already. So yeah, and then directly under it they have these two stools that you can place your coffee or whatever on. And right beside it they have this beautiful chair. Like the color of this chair, it brightens the room, it's so beautiful. And right above it they have these shelves that we have our remote on it. They have these two stools and then this beautiful artwork. I don't know what the stools are for, but yeah, it's beautiful the way it's hanged directly over there. So this is just the entrance. Let's look up there, guys. Look at the light, and then the ceiling is so beautiful, guys. It's even making the room classy. And then the floor. So that's the bathroom. We'll get to it, but I want it to be the last bit, okay? So that's the temperature, to regulate the temperature in the room. And then the light in the room, this whole thing, they have some that will put everywhere in the room on, and then some that will just put certain parts of the room on. It's so beautiful. So yeah, look at the floor. Amazing. So let's get to this bit of it. And yeah, guys, look at the light up there too. So they do have a lot of shelves here that you can place stuffs on. Obviously we wouldn't be needing it, but they gave us, some glasses and cups and whatever. Look at the light. I love it, guys. It's even making the room more classy and, you know, demure. I'm enjoying myself in the mirror, guys. The way I love mirrors, and they have it all around. And they gave us kettle to also make tea. And they gave us tea as well. I don't know, but I wouldn't be drinking it. But I mean, it's good, for the tea lovers. And this soap here to wash our hands, before we touch any stuffs. It's beautiful. And look at the sink, guys. See how amazing it looks. I love how it looks like. And let's see if the water, it's working. Oh, krrr. So let's check down here and see what they have there. They do have a lot of charging ports here that you can charge. And then they have these two cupboards. So I'm going to open it and see what we have. Oh, a mini bar, guys. They have a mini bar in here, a little fridge. And let's see what they have in it, Let's check. Ta-da! Yes, I was shocked as well. So this is an amazing mini bar, but just that most of the drinks here are alcoholic. And they added crepes. Gave us crepes and then one non-alcoholic drink. The rest, as you can see, are all alcoholic beverages. But yeah, it's all good. Let's check the other side of it. See, isn't it beautiful, guys? I mean, isn't it beautiful? This side, there's nothing, like nothing. It's just empty cupboard. So yeah, let's close it and move elsewhere. They do have two bins here that, you can put whatever it is that you want to throw away in it, and they changed it. It's clean. That's so beautiful. Okay, so time to check the bed. So guys, that's the bed. Oh, I feel like it's so small. I mean, the space is so small. So I'll be the one sleeping at the window, towards the window, because imagine if you are somebody with like heavier person, you cannot pass there. It's so small. That was something that we were shocked. But I mean, Nancy will sleep at the end and I will sleep at the far end, as I stated. So just see how I'm going to struggle to try to pass. But they do have a charging port right at where I'll be sleeping. And they have some at Nancy's end as well. And look at the artwork at the head of the bed. So beautiful, right? Look at this tiny space, guys. I am literally struggling to get towards the window, It's so small. It's like the bed took over the whole room. So look at it. Beautiful, but small. Yeah, just love the lightening of this room. The designs, everything is top notch. Just that it's super, super small. Let me show you the outside of the room through the window. Wow. Beautiful, right? Yeah, I was a bit scared, especially looking down, but I mean, I still had to record this. It's so beautiful, guys. I literally just sit here and be watching down, just watching everything and everybody. So yeah, guys, enough of that. Let's look at the lightning here. So that's the charging port, and they do have these things that I can control the light with, either all of the light in the room or just this portion. I can also dim my light or increase the brightness. See the light between the TV stand and the wall. So nice. Oh my days. I love how they designed the room. The only problem we had was the smallness, but trust me, everything, in fact, deserves the 4 star. So they do have those spots over there that you can also hang stuff on it. Let me draw closer. They have these ones there that you can hang your coat or whatever. Look at the marble or whatever it is that is called that they used to make it. It's so beautiful, you know. Come along, let's go check the bathroom and see how it looks like. Okay, guys, so it's time for the bathroom. Let's check what we have here. Grand finale, ta-da! So usually when there's no one in, the light goes off and comes on when someone enters. So as you can see, it just came on. So guys, look at this. The sink is my favorite part of this bathroom. It is made with like real marble. I just love this, guys. I don't know whatever it's made with, but it's really, really nice and unique. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. And then we are able to get our cold and our hot water from it. They provided us with this amazing, amazing hand wash. So after using the toilet, this is our cute toilet and its accessories, comfortably sitting there and waiting to be used. Tala tala. I don't know what this is actually. Comment down below if you know what it is. But I know that the pipe is connected from here over there. So I don't know. And guys, we do have our whatever cleaner here, and they provided us with tissue and the rest. So we do have a hair dryer stuff here too. And we have nice and clean towels arranged properly to be used. And this is the little shower room. So they do have a beautiful hand shower. I'm so glad that it's hand shower than the one that is just fixed. And then yeah, this is a regulator to regulate the hotness or coldness. It's also beautiful and looks so clean. The bathroom everywhere looks clean. So they gave us shower gel, and then we do have conditioner and shampoo or shampoo conditioner. The hotel makes it themselves and they can either sell it or put some in the bathroom to be used. I like how they placed it over there. I don't know if they don't want it to be stolen. I love how the door closes, this door. I like how it closes. You just pull this here and you pull the whole thing and then it closes. Isn't it amazing? And that's just the bathroom in a nutshell. So I'm done having a shower and we are about to rest, guys. It was tiring. So this is me admiring myself in the mirror. I told you guys I'm going to use this mirror a lot. You see a lot of it in most of my videos. So get prepared. I don't know if it's like the name of the channels. MTV. Let's try MTV and see. So Nancy and myself about to have a chill night and just watch movies and sleep because we are so tired. We arrived in Finland today and we did everything today, so it's quite tiring.
You have to make a decision, sir.
Thank you so much for watching. I'm about to take a nap now, and whatever activity that we'll do tomorrow, I'll be sure to record and then, post it for you guys to see. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Until then, bye. Good night.